Tastes like ham, it doesn't taste like chicken. We are in IKEA, 4 wings for 140 baht. Came in here just for a wander because I was bored. And I seen they'd done chicken wings, so chicken wing review time. Tastes like a smoked sausage. It's crispy, it's somewhat juicy. It tastes more like ham than chicken. The wings are a decent size, to be fair. So can get Dubai chocolate cheesecake. Sweet chilli dip. But it does taste like a hot dog. Somehow. They're going to get a 6 out of 10. I wouldn't recommend the cheesecake.